Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you essential moments on how you can analyze your sales, returns, and profits using a profit report. Let's start. Go to the sales section and profit tab. Here you can see four tabs by products, by employees, by customers, and by sales channels. In each tab, you can customize the set of visible columns, set up what filters fields to see, save some filter results as bookmarks. Download the report as a PDF or Excel file or print it. In detail on how to do that, I showed in the stock reports video. Link you can find in the captions. In the profit report by products tab, you can see number of transactions, quantity of items, price, sales volume, cost of sold and return goods, both for sales and returns. Pay attention. A sales report is based on two types of transactions, shipments and returns. Sales order or invoices do not affect that report. Columns gross profit and profit margin help you to understand how much you earn on each product and find the most profitable positions. You can sort values for convenience. You can choose specific products or groups to see results only for them. For example, I want to see numbers only for the bedsheets category. For that, I go to filter zone and in the product, any product or folder, I press narrow and then choose the group. After that, I press the find button. Now in the filter results, I see only bedsheet products. Total is calculated only for them. In by employees option, you can analyze sales by your salespersons. For the chosen period, you can see sales volume made by each manager, number of sales, average sale value, and other useful numbers. Here you can use filters too. For example, you can filter sales for product group bedsheet again and see sales by manager for that product. In this way, you can see which one of your managers sells particular goods better. By Customers tab is convenient to analyze the sales volume for each customer. It helps you to understand who generates you more sales and who is the most profitable one. By Sales Channel tab, you can see your sales received via different sales channels. For example, you sell via field salespersons, via online order app to get new orders by phone, and some inquiries for exhibitions. If you fill sales channel in your sales orders and shipments, it will be possible to see which sales channels was more effective. That's all about profit report. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.